All right, trying something I haven't done before. I'm videoing on the trail. I think today's Thursday, whatever it is, it's day 3. And we just broke camp. Still took us an hour and a half to break camp. But we're trying to get that better. And this is the trail we're heading up. But the real important thing to look at is, you see that mountain off in the distance right there? That's our mountain that we're going up today. We got an elevation of about 2,300 feet, 2,300 feet we got to climb over the course of 15 miles. Well, we got planned for 13 miles, but we might go 15 if the bodies will hold up. We're definitely feeling the effects of 2 days of hard hiking. Yesterday was really brutal with a 1,300 foot climb, but it was straight up. It was over the course of like a quarter of a mile. So here we're gonna cross this road, but in the meantime, let's look back at Pretty Lady and say good morning.